And my body is not for your enjoyment. What up, old geezer? They shut down the basketball courts back there because everybody be getting up in it, you know, grinding up on each other to guard each other. That was the worst illustration of basketball, guarding someone in basketball. Like, that was truly the worst, like, ever visualization that you guys, like, that didn't even make any sense. Like, all the gyrations and the stuff that I did, it didn't even make any sense, man. It didn't even make any sense. I was gonna wave to him, but he ain't even looking at me, man. He don't want to acknowledge me, man. I was gonna wave to him, gonna show some respect, man, but show some love. Become some nighttime lovers in the nighttime. Didn't even look at me, man. Yeah, man, he gave me the nod. He's out with the family, but he acknowledges greatness. Acknowledges greatness. But who even uses this anymore? Master Lock and Key Professional Locksmith Services? Who even uses them? Uses them nowadays. You see that line to Starbucks? It's too tight, I'm gonna let him go. I'll catch up. I don't wanna be a douchebag and cut up in front of everyone. Someone smoke, man, that is so gross. People out there dying with lung cancer because of coronavirus, and people be smoking. Gym's closed. You guys saw that pothole? Oh my God! If you're a biker, you know the fear that a pothole or a hole in the ground causes. In my mind, I see my front tire just falling in there, getting stuck, and me doing like 30 backflips, Olympic style in the air. But not landing it like they do, instead of just a splat. A little bit different. Oh, and these dudes blazing it. I'm gonna give it to you, man. You're an old dude, I can tell by the way. But you got that chubbiness going on, and you got that, you know, matching sweater, jogger, sweatshirt, sweaty, jogger, the sweatpants. It took me a while, but I got that thing going on, but you're still blazing it on that moped. So I'm gonna give you that. I think I'm losing my mind. What do we have on the chopping block? We got a Ferrari. Oh my God, a Ferrari again coming on. See that red one? It's a Ferrari. I can tell from a mile away. Ferrari with a CBR 600RR behind it. I want to say 2008 edition. I think so. Oh, the new Corvette, the mid-range size Corvette, and a bunch of Corvettes there. But yeah, the mid-range one was way up ahead. We'll see if you can catch it in the slow-mo. If not, you just gotta trust me. Trust the biscuit and don't risk it. So trust me, don't risk it. I tell the truth. All right, I'll keep a gap here in case we choose to go this way if we see something. Otherwise, we're just heading home. Can't see anything up front either, so we'll see. We'll see the cars zooming by, making a left turn. So if there's anything spicy, we'll go that way. I mean, what F it? I don't give an F. F12 up there, I believe. Could be wrong. Let's see. Ferrari something up there. I could be wrong that it's not an F12, but I'm saying F12. We can go home from this way too, so that's fine. You'll see when it turns. The way it turns, the way it goes that way, we'll know. But I have my money on it turning into this resort right here. We'll see. There it is. Very slow, but he's staying in that lane. Is he turning left? Can't see. another Ferrari. At least he got to blaze past it, and he is turning. So he does live over there, he's just taking a different route. On the other side, when we were turning, we passed the Scuderia, or an F12, I don't know. But yeah, so, or 488, I don't know. But yeah, there's a lot out, so I was right that since it's quarantine, isolation time, everyone's out. By the time you guys see this video, it might be too late. I don't know, I see this dude in a Denali, I just feel like I'm gonna pop him next to him and he's gonna stare. And my body is not for your enjoyment. Alright? No one's eye candy out here, alright? I think I'm losing my mind. I think I'm losing. It's stuck in my head. It's stuck in my mind. And because of that, I think I'm losing my mind. Bitch, I'm a boss. I'm a shine like Ross. Rick Ross. Ricky Rose. Mick Ross. McMillan. Don't do it, dog. It's my lane. Don't do it. Get a cut up on somebody else. There you go. But don't do it on me. I think I'm losing my mind. She told me take it from behind. Okay, I'm gonna put my foot down, it's gonna open. See, I told you it's rigged against me. And because of that, I think I am losing my mind. Perfect. Perfect! The over of the bending happened as I was doing passing. As I was passing through, she was bending over. How glorious is that? And don't take it the wrong way. I am a passionate adorer, okay? Not even lover, I'll put it. I'll say I'm a passionate adorer of women, okay? Women. Passion of mine. So, like, don't take it the wrong way. Actually, no. He has his window open. I guess that blocks out the coronavirus or something. I don't even know. He could be like me. He could be losing his mind. She wants me to take her from behind. I was thinking about some bad stuff, and I didn't press the shifter all the way up, and it jerked me like that. I didn't press the shifter all the way, so that's why it jerked me like that. I should talk proper instead of like somebody living in the projects. Even though once I did live in the projects. Not anymore though, because I can talk in proper English now. And I need to stop talking like a wannabe gangster. Even though I own a couple blokes. I put 5 on them. I put 5 on it. I put 5 on it. Coronavirus! Coronavirus! See, show me we're in quarantine. I see people everywhere, cars everywhere. I know this is Mexico City, but come on, or Siete de Mexico. But come on, man. I'm over there busting my booty, staying home all day, and there's people out here. I get turned. Ooh, dude's carving, Honda carving. Not paying attention. This car right here, there's once a dude. I don't know when you'll see this video. There was once a dude who was rolling around with his butt buddy, another dude, in this car. I think it was blue, midnight blue or something like that. And he was trying to go against me. And I'm like, dude, V4 super bike. Kia, look, the dude even removed the Kia emblem because he doesn't want to be associated with the brand of bike that he bought, you know? So, come on. Goes to show. Not hating on anybody having this, but like trying to race me, come on. Or trying to make race or make love to Broly, come on. She's a youngin', oh yeah. But it does not mean you just take advantage of her like that. Aston Martin. Yeah, you too. Wave to you too. Aston Martin. James Bond 007. 007. 007. Ooh, is 007 actually supposed to be 007 instead of 007? Because it say 007. They don't say 007. Oh, did not know that. Is it true, my British folks? Can you tell from the timbre of my voice? I don't know what I'm saying. Cause I ain't got no words. She bad then I strip her. She ain't got no words. She want me to get that sugar. She ain't got no worries. I'm bad then a slut. Excuse me. Oh, wait! I don't know why I pointed that out, but I did. So just get. Watch, I'm gonna the hell out of here. I'm a monster, I'm a beast in the sheets. I think that's only like 6,000 RPM, and she's screaming like I'm pushing her to the limit. That's one thing I love about this bike, man. Broly, she is raw energy, raw power. Come on, Hellcat! What's F? Come on, Hellcat! Show the hell out of you. Cause I'm a monster. We got a stinger right behind me. El gato. Perro? El gato is somewhere back there. Yeah, he's right there. Come on, man. I think I'm losing my mind. Stay home, stay safe. I think I'm losing my mind. Almost, he almost got me. Come on, gato! Oh no, it's a perro. I don't know, man. Okay, come on, man! Alpha, bro! Come on! Plus, I think it's time that we put it up and see the stinger's gonna do something. Watch. I know it, man. But I think she's losing her mind. El gato. Where is El gato? I don't see him, man, but we'll see. What would it hurt me to? That was more of a dry run, because I just moved her from street to sport. Bye-bye, El gato, you didn't do anything for me. What's the point of having a El gato? Or is that the right one? Like, every time I say it, I feel like it's wrong. When I say perro, then I'm like, no, that one's wrong too. Meow, 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 meow.
Calm before the storm. Things aren't